Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on this full face, not the eyes, but the face, of makeup using all cruelty-free products. Most of the products can be found at like a drugstore or they're in the drugstore price range, and only a few of them are a little bit more high-end. I only used about 4 or 5 products on my face today, and so let's get into this video. I hope you guys like it. Okay, so I'm going in with the e.l.f. Tinted Moisturizer. It has SPF 20 in it. You could definitely smell the SPF, which I actually like, but it's not too heavy. And it helps prevent sunburn and everything like that. You're supposed to put on 15 minutes before you go out to the sun. Did you know that every time you go out, you should have some kind of protection on from the sun? The more you know. So my color is in beige. If I were a little bit more tan, I probably couldn't get away with this one, but for now I can. The concealer that I went in with is also in beige, and it is also from e.l.f. And then I went in with the RCMA. Does anybody use this anymore? I don't know. It's the no color powder, and that's what I use to set my face. And the bronzer I went in and kind of contoured and bronzed my skin with is Constantly Bronzed, and that is also from e.l.f. And then perhaps the most important was the Kevyn Aucoin, and it is the Liquid Lightening, and the color that I used is in Sunlight, and it's a little bit darker than the other one. I think the other one is Sunset maybe. So this is a little bit more to bronze your skin for people of darker complexions. I like to use it because I don't like to be too fair, but that's really your preference. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. And if you guys want to see my eyeshadow look today and my eyelashes, then I will definitely link those when they're out, if they're out. Okay, I don't even know. I'm confused. All right, bye guys. Love you.